Hi, gorgeous women. Yes, I'm back to give you an update on the unit that I made. The hair is actually from Beauty Forever Hair. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, definitely on Amazon. Even if you go to their website and you're not purchasing anything, it's called browse shopping, so you could just hold on to your credit cards and browse shop. Okay. So anyways, this is the update that I promised that I was going to do on the unit that I made. I was sent the there are 3 bundles, and it's the 8A grade Malaysian loose deep wave hair. It came in 3 bundles, so it's 12, 14, and 16, and it comes with a 10-inch closure. So I actually made the wig. What I'm gonna do is link down below the actual original unboxing that I did for this company, so you can actually watch that, and then you can see the actual transformation, because I did not co-wash the hair. I just actually made the unit, and I pretty much just showed you ladies the actual finished product. So you get to watch this video that I created for you, so sit back and enjoy. So I just used some Pantene Pro V shampoo on this hair that I got from Beauty Forever. So this is the wig that I had made, and that's all the hair that came out. So I'm gonna actually do some conditioning right now, and I will show you once I comb through the hair what it looks like. So I've actually used the Pantene Pro V conditioner to apply to this unit. I combed through the hair with a wide tooth comb, and as you can see, that is all the hair that came out. So this is some good quality hair from Beauty Forever, and this is not a shedder. So I just wanted to show you what's in the sink before I rinse the hair out. Okay, ladies, so this is how I lay my wigs to dry. So once this wig is dry, I will actually try to color the hair and do another styling for you ladies. Keep watching. Now this unit is actually washed and conditioned, and it looks great. The hair did not shed a lot. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna pluck a little bit in the front area, and then I'm gonna attempt to change the color on this beautiful, gorgeous wig. Keep watching. So this is how many hair I actually plucked from this unit. So I'm going to quit while I'm ahead, and then I'll start the coloring process. So I'm gonna try this powder lightener. It's by the Wella brand, and I actually went up on the actual liquid. So I'm gonna use the 40 volume instead of the 20, because I think that one lightens faster. So I'm gonna attempt to just do some highlights in the front of this unit, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so this is pretty much the consistency that you want. And ladies, I'm not a professional, so don't try this at home. So let's show you what the actual hair looks like. So I know exactly what I'm trying to do as far as my highlights and where I want them to go. So I actually put the wig on top of a garbage bag, actually 2 garbage bags, and I wanted to use the white garbage bag because I wanted to show you how I have the hair spread out. So everybody does their actual bleaching process their way. So this is my way of doing it, so I know for sure where I want to place my actual bleaching powder. So I'll show you what that looks like in a few. All right, my queen, so I've added the color to the very ends of the hair. So this way I can actually watch it develop, and I'll be sure that both sides of my wig actually gets the color put in, you know, with the to match the other side. So we'll see what happens. If it doesn't turn out right, I can always color it in black. Keep watching. I'm still drying the hair, ladies. Not quite finished yet. Okay, keep watching. All right, my queen, so I hope you enjoy that little video I did for you. So this is the finished product. So I put on a white shirt because I wanted you to see the actual ends. I didn't want to go too light because I'm gonna end up donating this wig. So yeah, this is the color. So this is the right side, and I apologize for the rain in the background. This is the left side, and this is all the hair to the back. So this is the hair washed and colored and dried. So definitely check out their website, Beauty Forever. They're on Amazon, Facebook. This is the front of it that I plucked a little bit of the hair. You ladies know I don't do this baby hair thing, but yeah, I was trying. So anyways, let me know what you think about this. Leave me a comment down below. And definitely, like I said, check out their website. They are actually, I'll link everything down below, as well as the coupon codes that's going to be in my description box. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, leave it down below. My email address will also be in the description box. So yes, ladies, so this is my wig that I created, and the color that I put on the ends, because like I said, I didn't want to go too light with this wig. And as you can see, this is some really good quality hair. The hair is very, very soft, and it's a very good texture, good quality. You can actually color the hair, straighten the hair. So what I did, I just put a little highlight in it. I didn't want to go too extreme. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think. Definitely check out their website. They have 360 wigs. They have frontals, closures, bundles, you name it, Brazilian, Remy hair, Indian, Malaysian. So please give them a, you know, just check them out. It's Beauty Forever Hair, and they are on Amazon, Facebook. You can find them also on Instagram. And it's lightning and thundering right now, so I'm just gonna keep this short by saying, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to turn on your notification. Do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much, ladies, for watching. I do appreciate you, and there's plenty more to come. Do not forget to check out Beauty Forever Hair. And as always, take care of yourself. I love you, ladies. One love. Mwah. I forgot to twirl. I didn't do the twirl. That's just me acting silly.